Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Kevin, and we're back at SeaWorld Orlando for another construction update. Let's go. Let's go take a ride in Sky Tower.
Did you know that SeaWorld has rescued and rehabilitated more than 39,000 animals? Without the continued support of our partner agencies, park guests like you, as well as people across the globe taking action 365 days a year, partnering with multiple government agencies, conservationists, zoological facilities, and others to rescue and help animals in need of our care. To the east, also across the street from SeaWorld, most water slides in Orlando. This amazing park has been voted the #1 outdoor.
Since the show's about to start, we got these views today. Looks like they're starting to add some of the framing for the door. They're finally starting to wall this area off, so soon, no more views from over here. Over at the Rumor 2025 project, doesn't seem like a whole lot's happening on the outside. They've installed some new scaffolding so they can work on the roof. So it's very hard to see, but on the very far bay doors down there, there's a sign that has the red tape, the same red tape of the no trespassing sign over here. Can't make out what it says though. Alright friends, that's going to do it from SeaWorld Orlando. As you saw, not a ton of progress over at Penguin Trek. Cruiser made a ton of progress over by the ADA ramp, leading up to the Sealion and Otter Stadium. Cruiser made a ton of progress over at the ADA ramp, leading up to the Sealion and Otter Stadium. And crews were also hard at work welding over by Launch 1. Over at the 2025 project, scaffolding has finally started to go up outside, which is extremely exciting. And with all of that being said, I hope you liked what you saw. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Take care. Bye.